What if I told you your dream e-bike might leave you stranded miles from home? Not because it breaks down, but because the range estimate was never real to begin with. That's the part most riders find out too late. Manufacturers list ideal numbers, but hills, wind, rider weight, and speed quietly eat into that promise. In this video, we're looking at e-bikes that don't just look good on paper, but actually hold up so you're not constantly watching the battery drop. Number 10. Fiido L3. First, we have an amazing bike by Fiido that can run more than your expectation. It uses 20-inch wheels, which keeps it compact but slightly limited for high-speed stability. It comes with a 350-watt rear hub motor and a large 48-volt 23.2 ampere-hour lithium battery, which is the main highlight of the bike. On paper, it claims very high range figures, but in real riding conditions, it usually delivers around 30 to 60 miles, depending on rider weight, assist level, and road type. Mechanical disc brakes handle stopping power, and the riding position is upright for city comfort. It works best for short commutes and budget-friendly long city rides. Number 9. Lectric XP4. A folding electric bike built for riders who need distance and practicality in one setup. It comes with a high-capacity battery that can support extended rides, often reaching up to around 60 to 85 miles, depending on terrain and riding mode. The bike uses a strong rear hub motor that provides steady assistance for both city roads and light off-road paths. Its folding frame makes it easy to store in small apartments or carry in a car trunk. The fat tires improve grip and stability, especially on uneven surfaces. It also includes pedal assist modes and a throttle option for flexible riding control. Mechanical disc brakes help with reliable stopping power, while the integrated display shows speed, battery level, and ride stats clearly during travel. Number 8. Cannondale Adventure Neo 4. With a claimed range of up to 64 miles, the Cannondale Adventure Neo 4 is built for riders who want long-distance capability without going into high-end pricing. It uses a 400 watt-hour battery paired with a 250 watt motor, giving steady and predictable assistance instead of aggressive power bursts. The focus here is comfort over speed, with a relaxed upright riding position that reduces pressure on the back and shoulders during longer rides. It handles city roads and light suburban routes with ease, especially where small hills would normally slow you down. The motor support is tuned to feel natural, so the ride still feels like cycling, just with reduced effort. It also includes integrated lights and a simple display for speed and battery tracking during rides. Number 7. Aventon Soltera 2.5. It feels less like a heavy electric bike and more like a clean city commuter that just happens to have assist power hidden inside it. It keeps things lightweight, which makes it easier to handle in traffic, on stairs, or when you're just rolling it into a small space. Instead of chasing high speed, it focuses on stretching battery use, which is why real-world rides can vary anywhere from 40 to around 70 miles, depending on terrain and riding habits. The ride position is upright but not bulky, giving a clear road view without feeling stiff. It works best for daily city use, short commutes, and longer weekend rides where you want control without worrying too much about frequent charging. Number 6. Magicycle Ocelot Pro. Overall, it feels more like a long-distance cruiser than a quick city bike, focusing on keeping you moving for hours instead of short bursts of speed. Here, the 750 watt motor, with higher peak output, helps maintain steady speed on long routes and handles hills without draining the battery too quickly when used wisely. The fat 20-inch tires add stability and comfort, especially on rough roads, but they do slightly increase power use, so smoother riding helps stretch the range further. In real use, riders can expect anywhere from around 50 miles up to nearly 100 miles depending on speed, assist level, and terrain. Number 5. Heybike Mars 2.0. It uses a 48-volt battery system paired with a high-torque rear hub motor that can handle quick acceleration and steep city inclines without feeling strained. The fat 20-inch tires give it extra grip, especially on rough roads, gravel paths, and uneven urban surfaces. Its folding frame is one of its main advantages, allowing it to be stored in tight spaces or carried in a car trunk without much effort. Real-world range usually sits lower than advertised, depending on speed and terrain, but it still gives you around 45 miles and performs well for mid-distance city rides and mixed-use commuting. Number 4. Ride 1UP Core 5. In this bike, battery performance is one of its strongest points, with real-world range often landing around 45 to 50 miles, depending on rider weight, terrain, and assist level. It avoids unnecessary extras, which helps keep the weight down and improves handling. It keeps the setup minimal, focusing on a light frame and a responsive 500-watt rear hub motor that feels smooth in stop-and-go city traffic. The riding experience is steady, with pedal assist that kicks in without delay and helps maintain a natural cadence instead of overpowering the ride. The geometry is practical, giving a balanced upright position that works well for daily commuting. Number 3. Ride 1 Up Roadster 5.3. This is a lightweight commuter e-bike designed around efficiency and long city travel. It uses a 350-watt rear hub motor paired with a torque or cadence assist system depending on the version, giving smooth and predictable support rather than aggressive acceleration. The bike is powered by a 36-volt lithium-ion battery integrated into the frame, offering a real-world range of roughly 30 to 50 miles depending on assist level, terrain, and rider input. The frame stays under a typical commuter weight range of around 40 pounds, which makes it easier to carry upstairs or store in tight spaces compared to heavier fat tire models. It rolls on 700C wheels with road-focused tires, helping reduce rolling resistance and improve efficiency on paved streets. Number 2. Engwe EP2 Pro. This one doesn't play the fast bike game at all. It plays the keep going while others quit game. The fat tire frame immediately tells you it's built for rough, mixed ground rather than smooth city lanes. Under the body sits a 48-volt system with a large removable battery, which is the real backbone of its long-distance behavior. In steady eco-riding, it can stretch roughly 50 to 75 miles, and in ideal low-assist conditions, it can push closer to higher figures. It also supports pedal assist plus throttle control. But the real mileage comes when you stay patient and let it cruise. The fat tires add comfort and grip, especially on long, uneven routes, even if they slightly increase energy use. Number 1. Velotric Go 1. In daily use, it sits in a comfortable mid-range zone, enough power for city traffic and small hills, but still focused on endurance. This is basically built around one idea: stretching usable distance without turning the ride into something complicated. It uses a 48-volt, 14.4 ampere-hour LG battery, which is around 691 watt-hours, which is the core reason for its range performance. In real conditions, it can deliver up to about 55 miles on pedal assist and around 45 to 48 miles using throttle, depending heavily on rider weight, terrain, and speed settings. In daily use, it sits in a comfortable mid-range zone, enough power for city traffic and small hills, but still focused on endurance. So that's all. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.